This is a video about using annotation to solve the homework. Yeah, there are two homework problems, there are math problem. So yeah, the first one you can find students the reasoning process, calculation process, and the final is their answer. The second you will find the student use X. Yeah, it's father's age and Y is kid's age, and how to solve this problem, right? They use the annotation tools to solve the homework. This is another snapshot of our system. So you'll find annotation to the multimedia object, yeah, with multimedia content. So the left side is multimedia learning material, and the right side is annotation. So in the annotation box, you will find the text, the speaker icon, you click, and the voice can play, and the button is a figure, is a picture. This is another tool, another function. We call the HTML area. Provide powerful editor to edit your annotation, like type settings, okay? Or you can set a different color of the character. This is SSRise configuration. There are two there are two kinds. One is for group, one is for the public. There are three in the SSRise, read-onlys, no SS or read and write. This is a mechanism we designed to count, yeah, the times, the numbers of the reviewing annotation. There one annotation and other annotation. You will find on the right side the pinned buttons, starting side. When the students finish their reviewing, they just click the button. Okay, we will count 1 time about the reviewing. So let's take a look at the results. This table shows the correlation between the learning achievement and annotation. Yeah, you find that the second column is not significant because second column is the mark annotation. Mark annotation includes O's, highlights, underlines, freestyle, text annotation. Some students, they have habit just to highlight all the learning material, yeah, without any meaning, right? So it's the reason why no significant correlation. For the third, fourth, and the fifth, yeah, significant. It's like the previous study, okay? And the last one, yeah, not significant. Conjunct to other annotation is yeah, indicate, useless. Why? Because annotation is individual's work. It's meaningful for individual, not others. It's not easy to understand for others. So even you borrow your classmate annotation, learning journals, copy and read it, is not very useful. So this is the reason why no significant. We also conduct the t-test between the high achievement group and low achievement group, right? Top and the bottoms 27% of post-test scores. Yeah, it's a high achievement group and low achievement group. Yeah, the similar results. This explanation, and this table shows about homework. What's the difference between the homework and the annotation? Okay, you find quite similar. If the student have accomplished more homework solution, review the more homework, their homework, yeah, they will achieve the higher learning achievement. I mean, a higher post-test scores. For the last column, you will find have a negative correlation, almost significant. Yeah. What's the difference between reviewing other annotation and reviewing other homework? What's the difference of this characteristic of the two products, homework solution and annotation? Homework solution is assigned by the teacher. Every student should have to, try their best to accomplish it. It's different from the annotation. These two products is quite different. One is passive, one is active, right? So, yeah, conduct other annotation will get a lot of benefit, but you find this minus. What's the meaning? So you will find from t-test, and that's the current. is almost significant difference using t-test. I'm sorry, the last rows I missed the one the low achievement students. Okay, it's almost significant. What's the meaning behind? The good student, they conduct review others' homework less than the low achievement student. Why? Because the high achievement student, they will choose the right classmate. The classmate have a good learning achievement, right? They don't want to review most of the classmate homework solution. But for low achievement students, they have no focus, right? They focus on almost the student. The reason why it has the inverse, correlation or the minus value. So this is the explanation I just mentioned. So I give the conclusion. Just like I say, like the previous study, the amount of the annotation, amount of the homework have a significant influence on the learning achievement. The second point, review, annotation, and homework also have the significant influence. And related to amount of the review annotation, what's found more helpful, to the learning achievement than the review homework. Review annotation is more usable compared to the review their homework. Why? Because from my experience, we interviewed with students. Would like to find the reason behind. Students think, annotation is made by themselves, so they know that it's very unique, very useful for them, right? Compared to the homework, it's individual. It's different from the teacher's homework. Teacher's homework is just suitable for all students. And you will find the last second point, the amount of the connotation to other annotation has less influence to the learning annotation and learning achievement about annotation, others annotation, belong others, not new ones. The last point I mentioned, the homework is useful when you conduct the others because you would like to find the different solving strategy, right, to improve yourself. If your solution is not right, maybe you can find others ways, right, to improve yourself, to learn something new. So this is a suggestion for our future study. Just I showed the mechanism using the pin buttons, start inside to count the amount of the annotation of the homework So it's not a very good mechanism. I will try to find the better ones. How to really measure the students review their work annotation or homework solution. Just click one button. It's quite challenging. The second point about what kind of student was conducted mostly, and what would like to analyze their characteristic, find their social relationship, social network in the class, and and the last one to improve some learning activity design to stimulate students to conduct more annotation and try to stimulate the review design. So this is our suggestion. Thank you very much.